gonna call this video seriously, Zoe. Give it back. I think so. Yeah, she had it first. Now Inspector Gadget's got it. Lyra tried to take it, but she can't quite reach. She really wants it though. So he keeps dangling it right in front of her face. Oh. So close. So close. Oh, so close. Come on, Zoe. Seriously. Give it back. Give it back, Zoe. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. Lyra.
She gives up. She gives up.
You're so bad, Zoe. She was totally done with it. Hey, she got it. She got it. She got it. You want it? Here, Lyra. You want this one? Is this one good enough? Wait till Zoe sees she has the purple one. And Zoe's gonna need that one. Oh, she spotted it. Where did he go? She's gonna take the firefly back. That's not fair, sorry. She's gonna wing it over there like she doesn't care anymore. She doesn't care. Like, totally done with the firefly. Now she needs the bowl. Look at her trying to decide, what does Lyra want next? Here, Lyra. Yeah. Let's see if Zoe sees her with the mirror. Oh, she spotted it. Here you go. Here you go, Lyra. Here you go, Lyra. Here you go, Lyra. Now let's see. Zoe's got to have it. And she takes it. Let's see. Here you go, Lyra. You want that? There you have that. Alright, that's Lyra and Zoe bickering already. Where'd you drop? Where'd it go? Where's your staff? Where's your staff? Uh-oh. Yes, okay.